level of detail expressions, understanding level of detail filtering. You can use your level of detail expressions to filter your dashboards. That's perfectly fine. One of the key things to understand is where they sit in the filtering order. So what filters are applied first and what are applied afterwards. The key thing is that level of detail expressions have different filtering orders depending on the type of expression that we have written. For example, if we use fixed, it will be slightly different order from the others. Easiest way to do this is to visualize it. So the first two filters in our filtering order is extract data source, then we have our context filters, and then we have our first LOD filter. So we would apply the fix first because the fix defines the exact objects that we are dealing with. After which we can have our dimension filters, so this is all your dimensions that you're throwing into your filter pane. After which we then have include and exclude. Remember, these expressions are dependent on your dimensions, whatever dimensions values you may have. After which we are going to look at our measure filters, and finally, as we've seen in the previous section, table calculation filters are last. What I would suggest you doing is trying to use LOD expressions in filters to see what happens, to explore this functionality. But apart from that, the filters are used in the same way as any other filters. There's just a slight difference in ordering that you should be aware of. So, explore, have a play with this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.